As you step into this home, you can see this beautiful 4-room flat that is spacious and bright in this home.
Got it? Okay, so this one expensive for
that the owner meticulously designed. If you're looking for ultra-rare HDB estate in Queenstown, look no further.
And we will be exploring the newly MOP HDB 4-room flats that is the youngest estate among this area.
And it's not bounded by prime location housing restrictions where you can sell every 5 years upon MOP.
And it is just 2 minutes walk to Dawson Place estate with food courts and NTUC supermarket for your grocery, shopping and easy meal.
Once again, I'm Eunice.
And I'm John.
And today we'll unravel this HDB asset today, which head up to the unit right now.
Ooh.
Dawson Vista only comes with 2 blocks, Block 78 and 79, where you can explore premium facilities such as the multi-story car park, rooftop garden and community garden, childcare centre, mini-mart and a whimsical children playground that have this special looking mascot. There is also a direct sheltered walkway link from the blocks to the multi-story car park. Located along Dawson Road, this unit is only 5 minutes walk away from Queenstown MRT. You can also find Mr. Bean here. Travel only 2 minutes from this home to Block 57 at Dawson Place Mall, where you can find NTUC Supermarket, bakeries, food court, 7-Eleven, Subway and many other shops. Queenstown Public Library is only 8 minutes walk away. This location is perfect for families with kids. Queenstown Station also has bus services of 970, 51, 111, 145, 186, 195, which are all able to transport you to Orchard, Clarke Quay, Kallang, Tanjong Pagar and many more other areas. In addition, it's only 8 minutes walk to Anchor Point Shopping Centre, IKEA Alexandra and Alexandra Central Mall. Travel 2 more minutes and you'll reach to ABC Brickwoods Food Centre. You can also find Mei Ling Market and Food Centre at Block 158. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know there are a total of 2 primary schools within 1 km, which are Gan In Sing Primary School and Queenstown Primary School. Within 2 km, there are 6 primary schools here. This unit is sized at 947 square feet and you get to utilize every space and inch of this beautifully renovated home. This unit comes with a spacious living and dining room, a common bedroom, 1 common bath, a master ensuite and an enclosed kitchen with a yard.
As you step into this home, you can see this beautiful 4-room flat that is spacious and bright in this home. It is a very beautiful, spacious living and dining area combined, which give you a very nice warm wood tone with sleek contemporary finishes. Come on over here where you can see this living area extends all the way to this end. You may ask, why is this living space so huge? Because originally it is a bedroom with windows over here. So the owner, with HDB approval, hacked away the original door with this wall over here, which creates her own personal dining area space. This definitely can accommodate up to 6 to 8 people, and you can have perfect meals and invite your guests, enjoy the day all night. So this is the original bedroom, which perfectly comes with windows. You can redesign this home and build the wall back, or you can just accept this beautiful design and you can get a nice living and dining space. Right now, let's head to the bedrooms. Before entering the bedroom, you can see this walkway area that's renovated with a beautiful arch that the owner meticulously designed and thought through very perfectly. Look at this arch over here, artistically designed, and we have very nice color pop of tiles that complements well in this whole renovated home.
The entire unit is adorned with high-quality vinyl flooring, which not only adds a touch of sophistication, but is also durable and easy to maintain. This living room is both inviting and expansive, offering ample space for lounging or entertaining guests. With almost full-height windows, flood the room with natural lighting. It creates a warm and welcoming ambience.
This kitchen in this home is a delightful mix of elegance and playfulness. So you can see the color themes is actually bringing the life energy to this kitchen. So with this enough space, Actually, there's a lot of cabinets, generous cabinets for you to store your place, as well as electrical appliances is actually able to tuck in wherever you want. So, of course, the countertop is using the quartz. It's enough space for your preparation as well as cooking. So you won't actually knock onto each other. So beyond this kitchen, we have the spacious yard that is neatly integrated here. It is spacious enough for the room for washer and dryer as well as extra storage. So as extra storage, you can actually put a sanitary. So you can also add as an additional functional pantry area as well.
Moving on to the common bedroom, each is designed with versatility in mind. Both rooms are spacious, easily fitting a queen-size bed, making them perfect for growing families or guests. Finally, the master bedroom is a true heaven of comfort and space where it is large enough to accommodate a queen or king-size bed. One standout feature is the beautifully renovated full-height walk-in wardrobe corner, offering abundance of storage while seamlessly blending into the room's sleek design. The ensuite bathroom continues the modern theme with a fresh, vibrant twist, fully renovated with splash of fun colors that gives the space a lively, contemporary feel. Furthermore, Queenstown residents are set to get a new park that will be located to an upcoming housing development in Mei Chin Road. The planned park incorporates space currently occupied by the Alexandra Queenstown Park Connector, as well as a stretch of mature trees next to the HDB blocks in Queen's Close. Queenstown will also undergo enhancements and upgrades that will include more senior-friendly amenities to promote active aging.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour and I hope you love this undervalued gem. If you'd like to view this unit, feel free to contact us.
And do click like, share and subscribe. And we can be found in all social media platforms. Link in the description box below.
Once again, I'm Eunice.
And I'm Johnny.
And thank you for watching in Property 65. We uplift your home value. We sell higher. 我们厉害。